Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering mastering leadership skills, how to inspire and lead others. So let's dive in. How can you lead others and why should you do it? Leadership might sound like something only for those in suits or with fancy titles, but let me tell you a little secret. Leadership is not just reserved for CEOs or managers. It's a superpower that anyone can possess. Whether you're leading a team at work, organizing a group project, or even just inspiring your friends and family to reach their full potential. Think about it. Have you ever been in a situation where someone's magnetic personality and ability to motivate just drew you in? That, my friend, is the power of leadership. I know it might sound intimidating, but with the right mindset and a little guidance, anyone can become an amazing leader. Speaking of mindset, having a positive and realistic mindset is like the secret sauce for building and maintaining leadership skills. Leadership is not always a smooth ride, just like our journey. There will be bumps, setbacks, and challenges along the way. That's where your mindset comes into play. A positive mindset allows you to see opportunities in every situation and motivates you to keep pushing forward even when things get tough. And positivity is contagious. As a leader, your attitude sets the tone for your team. But hold up, being positive doesn't mean being blindly optimistic. That's where the realistic part comes in. It's important to acknowledge the realities and the potential obstacles that you might face. It prevents you from getting lost in wishful thinking and ignoring crucial facts. Now, are you ready to become the leader you were born to be? Well, then, here are 5 steps that can help you prepare for your journey, starting with step 1, setting a clear vision. Take this: you're the captain of a sports team, and your goal is to win the championship. Without a clear vision of what that victory looks like, your team might end up going in different directions, and your chances of winning would be slim. The same goes for leadership in any aspect of life. Define your vision. Take some time to think about your goals and what you want to achieve. Whether it's in your career, a project, or even in your personal life, write down your vision and make it as specific as possible. If you're leading a team at work, your vision could be to increase productivity by streamlining processes and fostering a positive work environment. Step 2, lead by example. Now imagine you're on a hike with your friends and you're leading the way. If you're complaining, lagging behind, or giving up easily, it's unlikely that your friends will be inspired to continue. But if you show enthusiasm, resilience, and determination, they'll be more motivated to follow your lead. Be the role model. Reflect on the qualities that you admire in great leaders and start embodying them. Show integrity, be accountable for your actions, and demonstrate a positive attitude even in challenging situations. Your team and surroundings will notice and be inspired to do the same. Step 3, effective communication. You're now the host of a game show, and your job is to explain the rules to the contestants clearly. If you mumble, use complex jargon, or give vague instructions, it would be chaos, right? Well, the same applies to leadership. So own your communication skills, learn to express your ideas in a concise and understandable manner. Practice active listening and encourage open dialogue within your teams. When delegating tasks, clearly communicate expectations, provide necessary information, and be open to questions and feedback. This will ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards the shared vision. Step 4, empowering others. Imagine you're a conductor for an orchestra. Your job isn't to play all the instruments, but to bring out the best in each musician and create a harmonious masterpiece. In leadership, empowering others is key. This is important. Delegate and trust. Identify the strengths and skills for each of your team members and assign their tasks accordingly. Trust them to deliver and offer support when needed. This not only boosts their confidence, but also fosters a sense of ownership and accountability. Give them the autonomy to make decisions and offer guidance when necessary. Your team will feel valued and motivated to excel. And step 5, continuous growth. If you're a gardener tending to a beautiful garden, you know that if you neglect it, weeds will take over and the plants will wither away. But if you nurture it, water it, and give it the attention that it needs, it will flourish. The same goes for leadership. It's time to invest in personal development. Seek out opportunities to learn and grow as a leader. Read books, attend workshops, and network with other leaders. Embrace feedback and be open to self improvement. Join communities to exchange ideas and learn from others' experiences. Mastering leadership skills is crucial because it empowers individuals to lead and inspire others towards a common goal. One key piece of advice for mastering leadership skills is to lead by example. Leading by example sets the tone for others to follow. By consistently displaying behaviors and characteristics that you value in a leader, you inspire and motivate those around you to do the same. Remember, actions speak louder than words, so be the role model that you would want to follow. A can do attitude paired with a dose of reality is a winning combo for leadership success. A strong leader can motivate and bring out the best in their team, leading for personal and collective success. Let's summarize. We are exploring, growing, and learning to master our leadership skills to inspire and guide others. The three key points into doing so are: 1. Set a clear vision. Define your goals and be specific about what you want to achieve. Write down your vision and break it down into actionable steps. 2. Lead by example. Be the role model others can look up to. Remember, actions speak louder than words. And 3. Communicate effectively and empower others. Own your communication skills, trust, and delegate tasks. These were some steps and examples on mastering leadership skills, inspiring and leading others. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering mastering self-discipline, achieving success through consistency. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week!